everyone, good morning. It feels like old times going on an adventure with you guys. How you guys doing? Crazy. Honey say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Sarah say wagwan. Tyler. Wagwan. You guys, how are you guys doing? I'm excited to be back in my element talking to you guys. Whenever I pick up the camera these days, I feel extra excited. But anyway, you guys, today's a brand new day. It's the weekend and I'm off this weekend, so we're taking a little road trip. We are heading to Italy today, so we're taking you guys with us. We're going to a city called... I'm waiting for Papa to say it because I'm going to butcher that word. Bordighera.
Bordighera.
Yes, I didn't do too bad. So we're going to Bordighera, about 1 hour away from home in Italy. We have no idea what Bordighera have to offer, but that's the joy of going on adventures with the family. We discover as we go along. That's what adventure should be, right? So anyway, guys, I just want to tell you guys thank you guys for still sticking and riding with us, even though our schedule has changed significantly from 5 videos per week to sometimes 1 to sometimes even none, but you guys still stuck around with us. You guys are amazing. Look at this view. Let me see if I can catch it for you guys. Look at that view. That's the beach. All that blue you're seeing down there, that's the beach. That is the beach down there. It's gorgeous, this view. 20 mil. We reach 20 mil in 1 minute, but we're not going to 20 mil. That's a lie.
That's a lie.
Exactly, because 20 mil is like an hour away. So why did it tell us that? We're not even in Manto. And Manto is before Monaco.
No, it's after.
Is it after Monaco?
It's the last.
Okay.
It's the first city after the border.
Okay. We're gonna see a view now again. Let me show you guys that. There we go. I can't believe it just tell us 20 mil in 1 minute. We're about to go over the border. We are heading into Italy.
So I think even on if you drive, not in the highway, but in the regular way, in the woods, I think that there's the border now, that they put the border police at the border because of the migrant and all.
Oh yeah, Italy is having a huge migrant issue right now, and they are controlling like crazy. It is on the news every night. I mean, not just a few, they're getting a lot of migrants that's passing, some stopping, so they're controlling significantly right now. So
I won't be surprised if
I won't be surprised. And most of the migrants that they're getting are black people, so I won't be surprised if they control us on our way back, because of course I'm a black woman driving coming from Italy direction. So it's not really about discrimination, it's just the migrant control. So I won't be surprised if they control me on our way back, but I make sure I have my ID and all that. So yeah, anyway, you guys, we're going on an adventure. We're looking at Manto, another French city beside here.
There's no more exit until the border.
There's no more exit until the border? Okay. So we're taking you to Italy today, so come along with us. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us. I haven't given you guys a work update in a long time, but I am trying to get out all the backlog vlogs that I have first before I get back on track with the recent vlogs, because I don't want to give you guys too much of a delay. So I need to get out all the back vlogs first. So don't worry, you guys will get work updates and all that good stuff, going back to vlogging when the kids are going to school and stuff like that. But anyway, today is all about Italy, so catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Whatever Italy has to offer in this city that we're going, then you guys will see, because I'll share them with you. So see you guys later, shall we?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time. time, I'ma live up.
So we have reached the city of Bordighera.
Prendre à droite sur via Sant'Antonio, puis vous arriverez à destination.
I was just saying to Babe that these buildings literally look like they're hanging over into the street. We're trying to find a parking right now. Let's see how lucky we'll get. Oh, there's lots of spaces.
A lot of spaces.
It's free?
I have no idea.
You said you have no idea. And the beach is right in front of us, right there. And guess who's sleeping? She. Sorry, Tyler, leave her.
Look, free? I think it's free.
You think it's free?
Yeah.
Well, if it's not free, then we just won't see our car when we get back.
No, but I mean, you don't get no ticket, nothing. The only thing is, sometimes when it's blue, is
Limited time, exactly. That's the rule in France. So just look if you see anything around.
Yeah, I'm just.
Okay. We're in Bordighera. We just parked, and of course, we discovered that the parking is not free. It's payable, so we had to pay. So we pay for 2 hours. So we have 2 hours to explore this little city. We're just going to go for a nice little walk, and then back to the car we go. We have 2 hours, so let's see. I'm a sweet girl. She just woke up, look at her. Yes? No, later. Come on, let's go. Come on. That this is a really cool discovery. Bordighera is absolutely beautiful on the beach walk. I must say, I am not disappointed. The beach, look at the beach walk. It's so pretty. The wind is high. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but the walk is absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. It's a little bit chilly too, so we had to take out the kids' sweater. I figure more or less it would have been, so I made sure I bring their sweater. But it's nice. She's here, Ty. That's okay. He's protecting his sister. Look at them matching sweaters. Yes, princess. Yes, pretty. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go, Ty.
Mama, possible that at one moment come all the way to us?
No. It is. I can literally feel the wave, the water coming onto you from here. Oh, Sarah! Sorry, almost tripped over Sarah. The train you guys passing through, that's so cute. This little city is so cute. Babe and I was just saying how just being in the environment make you feel so happy. Like Babe said, it's a city that you would just leave home, come to hang out, have dinner and just go back home. It's about an hour away from home and it's definitely worth the 1 hour drive. Look at the kids having so much fun. And when you walk in the boardwalk, this is the second park that we've reached for the kids. It's like, you know, they know that parents will be passing by and it's a perfect spot for the parents to break and let the kids enjoy. It's such a cool space, full of color, everything for all ages. Really nice spot. Look at them on swings. See them down there. Look at those though. Tiens, mes princesses. C'est bon? Oui? Tyler? Tyler? Wow! How is it? It's good? See? Wow! Okay, let's go sit. Come on, come. Fais attention. Sit, Sarah. And let's sit in the other one. Yummy?
I don't know if it's the mix of the two or if it's just the. But it tastes so good.
The mix of the two is a vibe too. No, it's pistache. I'm not giving you none. You can taste the top one. He's not gonna give you any. It's pistache. You can taste the top one, but no. To be safe, no. He's allergic to pistache when he was younger, and we haven't tasted him since then. So, not taking any chances. Italy and we're back in France. We're in a city, going through actually a city called Menton. Look how beautiful all these colors look. It reminds me of Nice with the colors of Old Town. The camera is not doing it any justice, but I'm trying to catch it for you guys as close as I can. Look at that. Look at that work of art. Look at this. Look how beautiful that looks. It's the way how they just jumbled up together.
And to see in the camera.
You want to see in the camera?
Prendre à
I'm
droite
going to
sur
show you in the
D52.
camera. This looks so nice. Look at this. So that's Menton.
Continuez sur D52 pendant 1 km.
Sarah, what is this coming up? What is this coming up, Sarah? Sarah, what is this?
Children.
Tunnel!
Say it in the French
She
way.
loves tunnel. Our discovery of the city that we went in Italy today was not disappointing at all. We had so much fun. We had a good time the few hours that we stayed there. It was worth it. Now we're going back home. We're tired. Going back home to eat some dinner. So, see you guys when we get home. Hey guys, we've been back home, made dinner. I didn't get to show you guys dinner because I was so hungry, and when I realized that I didn't show you guys what I was cooking, dinner was already finished eating. But now I have to cut my boy here, and there's the Rugby World Cup going on, so they're watching rugby. Look at this one joining me. You wanna see face? Yeah. Good morning, Vidya Gaza. That's what you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay, Mama going to... You show Faves your pretty shoes that Mama bought? You guys, I was never a fan of Crocs, but I always think they're so cute when I see the kids that in them. So I always wanted to get one for Tyler and Sarah, and unfortunately they didn't have no size at the place that I found this one for Sarah. Wait, I'm gonna show them your shoes. So I finally bought one for Sarah. Look how cute it is. It has this like a penguin thing on it, and guess who entered the Croc family? Me. I bought one for myself. I gave in. Let me show you guys. I hate these shoes. I can't stand them. I don't know why. I just don't like to see them, but anyway. Let me show you. I bought this one for myself. And anywhere I go, I'm gonna look and try and find one for Tyler, because when I see the kids in them, they're just so cute. But I need to find a masculine one for him. But I still end up buying Tyler another slippers, because of course I can't buy one something and don't buy one the other. But yeah, anyway you guys, I'm gonna give him a haircut right now, so let's go.